Hi, and welcome to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther again. I believe I have finally finished the Eras Tour little folio. It is very big, in fact. I didn't measure it before, so it's 3 inches wide when closed, and it's 6 inches tall. And right now it is about 1.5 inches wide, and the bow's kind of holding it closed. So I have some ruffled lace to tie it with. It has a pretty flowers. I use the Eras Tour for the cover. Got little jewels on it, a little ruffled edge right there. Then you open it up and you have a tag. It's a little tuck spot right there. You keep opening, you got another tag. Did I miss one? Not yet. So then here is a little spot. There's a spot. Here's another little place to stick something. Another tag. A little journaling spot. You have Velcro closure coin envelope. Another tag with a tuck spot right here. So a little journaling spot behind the envelope. Then if you open up the envelope, you have all this writing space and this back here. And it just closes, that little point just goes up under there. So then as we come this way, there's a butterfly and it's got a little tuck spot. Then here, this has like 5 pockets. So there's one pocket here, one right there, one there, there. Here's another pocket, another little tuck spot that I've got. And I've got jewels on them, some lace. I Knew You Were Trouble, one of Taylor's songs, some more songs. Then here is some journaling cards. Make sure you still can see. Then we flip it over. Here is another tag, another little journaling spot, a little journaling spot there. I put in just a little folded little thing to put notes on. You got another journaling spot and another one. So there's 3 right here, one there, one there, one there. You have another envelope. I think I like this one better, that you can open. Got plenty of writing space. Then I have this little notepad that's got some ruffles on it. It fits right up under this belly band. And while I have that out, I didn't tell you, I've stenciled purple in the background on the back of this. You can see it. If you watch the videos on making it, you'll see the first one's got where I was stenciling the whole big sheet. So here's some jewels and some lace on the belly band. Another journaling spot. One more. A tag that was made from a master board of all different kinds of the papers that were used for this. There's a little card or a little circle tag. Then here we have one of those little pockets again with all the little spots. See, they just go right on in there. This one, did I make it? It is a tuck. There is another little tuck spot there. Right here, there is, all of these are journaling cards that go with it. So then on the back, there's another one. I didn't put a little tag in there, but you do have that. And you've got another little notebook that I stenciled on that you can write in. And this just flips behind the little thing. And then it's the back. So when it's all opened up, you've got, let's see if I can measure. So up to here is 12, 6, so that's 18 inches wide. And then you still got this middle section that I didn't measure. That is about 2.5. So you got 6 by 18 inches of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages on that side. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you got 14 different little pages. Yeah, I had to count and think about it. That you can put all of your little journaling and stuff, and you can add more stuff. I do have, if I close it right, you might can see it. I do have, this goes with it. It's an envelope that's full of stuff. This is TS for Taylor Swift 2023. It's just a little envelope to hold all this stuff. There's 2 butterflies, one, well, 2 scrapbook paper and 1 vellum butterfly. I stuck in a lot of little coordinating paper that goes with this kit. So you can decorate your tags and stuff, tags and these little journaling spots, just however you want. There's another little purple flower and another song. Let's see, that's all in there. Put that back. Then I gave you 2 tickets that coordinate with it. And they have the little jewels and stamps and just as a keepsake. Some more vellum. And then here I have some more little scrapbooks. I put some jewels in here for you to decorate. There's a little flower. And then there's plenty of songs that have already been distress inked with the purple around it so that you can make it all your own and how you would like it. And it comes with this little glassine bag. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing it and that you'll come by the Etsy store and maybe take it home with you. My Etsy shop is the Trucking Scribe. And my website is www.thetruckingscribe.com. And I'll put these links below so that you can find me. But all this comes with this little journal. And thank you for stopping by and have a great afternoon.